Uh, 2006 Lincoln Zephyr, doing a radiator replacement on this one. Gotta bear with me because I left my tools in my other car. So I already removed the fan, and these is a 7 millimeter to get off, but I end up using like an E10 to get off because that's in my leftover tools. And you know how you got extra tools, your old tools in the bag, searching shit. Gladly I ain't need too many tools. But boom, fan's already out. All you had to do for the fan, unclip it, take this hose, little clamp off. It's one hose clamp on the bottom right here, as you see right there. And then these two clamps you gotta push and pull it up. You might gotta wiggle it. You gotta take the top hose out. Gotta take this hose off, move it to the side, pop this off of it, push it down, move it to the side. Blase, move that to the side. End up taking this hose out. These is a 16 millimeter. Pop that out. Trans coolant, so whatever dripped out of that. Go through. Let me unloosen this one. Loosen that one too. Well, that one started leaking immediately. Make sure you got some coolant, some transmission fluid. I believe this takes Type C or it takes Mark 5 or 6. One of the two. I should get a drain. Just so I don't be wetting in it. I'm not gonna know how much came out till the last minute, but I prefer you to take these off. Let these drain first before you take that bottom radiator hose off, so you don't get no fluid in the radiator. It is a mug to get that fan out. Took me a little while. Condenser right there. I took a flathead and poked it. If you see that, this tab right here, just pop that out. Do the same thing on the other side. I really couldn't reach it. I think it's on the bottom. No, it's not. It's right there. Just yanked it out. Thought it was gonna be a little harder than that, but it wasn't. Now lift it up. Oh no, I need 2 hands for that. Maybe not. Let me try my left hand. Nope. Only use 1 hand. Loosen that up from there. One more line. I believe I could use my hand to finish untwisting that. And the hose should slide right off. Might want to take a flathead. Take a flathead, pop it off. A new radiator to come in. Now my radiator was leaking from the side right here, which I don't know why it's leaking like that. Which I do see some holes, but understand why it was leaking right there. Though. Don't want to put that in the seat, so. Just let that stay. The radiator came in. Blew this goddamn line. See if I get to slide this right down in there. I'm not even gonna lie. I was happy that my part just came in the middle. And I started tightening everything down. Alright, boom. Wiggled that in there. Got both the transmission coiler lines on. Got this hose on. Got the bottom radiator hose on. Both of these lines is tightened up. These what I was talking about to go right in here. Push that off. Got these clips on. It's a radiator basically in. Make sure this comes up. I did unplug the hood light sensor only because I needed to. Okay, the fan goes like this. Now I'll get back with y'all. I do not got my phone holder and I gotta wiggle this and shit honestly just dropping. Hold on, let me see if it just dropping for me. Nope, it's not gonna drop in. Put the left side in first, then drop the right side. Boom. Fan in. Plug the fan in, plug that in. I do not know where. It's not even a connection. I don't know what that is. It's been like that since I got it. So, I don't know what that is. So, plug the hood back in, plug everything back in. Hope this one don't leak. Radiator hose tight. Tight down there. Lines is in. Last thing I gotta do is put the clip on. I forgot. I really don't need it. But you know, gotta be professional. Let me use this one because that's in. Snap these in. On that clamp. Okay, now you can push this hose down. And you can squeeze that clamp. There's no need for it. It's an old ass clamp. Really wasn't no need for it. So everything buttoned up here. Need to spray this off and clean this off. Need to do the valve cover gasket next because too much oil is leaking. And the last thing to go on is the under tray. Get all the bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got 5. So on the tray, fill it up and start it up. Let's see what leaks. Shouldn't leak at all. Okay, this Lincoln takes gold. I fill it up. Just draining like a mug. As of right now, I do not see no leaks. Last time I seen leaks coming from the side of this. see none. I haven't really drained that shit. I really put a little water in there. Start it up. Don't judge me. Car needs some fixing to do.